We're going to explain how to drag a formula down in Excel. This is a super useful skill that saves you tons of time. Imagine you've got a column of numbers and you want to add 10 to each one. Instead of manually typing XA1 plus 10, EA2 plus 10, EA3 plus 10, and so on for hundreds of rows, you can just drag a formula down. Here's how. 1. First, enter your formula in the first cell. Let's say your numbers are in column A, starting in cell A1. In cell B1, type as A1 plus 10. This adds 10 to the value in A1. 2. Now here's the magic. Click on the small square at the bottom right corner of cell B1. This is called the fill handle. It's a tiny square that appears when you select a cell. 3. With your mouse cursor hovering over the fill handle, you'll see it change to a small plus sign, plus. 4. Click and hold down your left mouse button on that little plus sign. 5. Now, drag the mouse down to the last cell in column B where you want the formula to be applied. 6. Release the mouse button. Excel will automatically copy the formula down, adjusting the cell references as it goes. So in cell B2, you'll have A2 plus 10, in B3 you'll have A3 plus 10, and so on. Each formula will correctly add 10 to the corresponding value in column A. That's it. You've successfully dragged a formula down. This works with all sorts of formulas, not just addition. If you have a formula involving multiplication, division, or any other operation, you can drag it down in the exact same way. Excel is smart enough to adjust the cell references automatically, which means you won't have to manually change them in each row. This method is also applicable for dragging formulas across columns. Just select the cell containing your formula and drag the fill handle across the desired number of columns. Remember that dragging only copies the formula. It doesn't copy the formatting like bold or font size from the original cell, so if that's important, copy and paste special is a better option to copy all the cell contents and formatting.